And guys, welcome back to my channel, Maths with Mr Moodliar, where I make maths fun and easy to understand when we are solving a mathematical problem. So today in our video, we are going to solve a linear equation with two unknown both sides. So there are four questions that we are going to tackle, which are 6x plus 8 is equal to x plus 14, 2y plus 17 is equal to 7y plus 5. And the next two last question, 5a take away 8 is equal to 23 take away 2a. And the last one is when we are going to use how to solve those linear equations. And we are going to form and solve it to work out the value of x from the isosceles triangle. Okay, so let's look at the first question, which is 6x plus 8 is equal to 3x plus 14. When we are looking at this question, we need to identify the smallest value of x. So on the left-hand side, we have 6x, and on the right-hand side, we have 3x. So from there, I am going to subtract the value of 3x. Again, I'm adding 3x. I'm implementing the inverse operation of addition. So we have take away 3x both side, take away 3x both side. The 3x will cancel out. So on the left hand side, we have 6x take away 3x, which is going to give you 3x. And then from here, it's just your linear equations, your two-step linear equations. So from there, everyone knows what to do with this one now. So I'm just going to go through it now. So take away 8 both side. We have 3x is equal to 14 take away 8, which is going to give you 6. And divided by 3, divided by 3, x must be 2. And that's how you do it. Okay. So your step number one, we are going to identify the smallest value of x. Now, if we look at the second question, we have 2y plus 17 is equal to 7y plus 5. Now, I know that looks a bit different, the first question. Don't worry, I'm here to help you out. So what do we have here? Again, I keep saying it, we need to identify the smallest value of x. So on the left hand side, we have 2y, and then on the right hand side, we have 7y. So again, my first move or my first step is to subtract the smallest value of x, the value of y, which is take away 2y from both sides. So we take away 2y, take away 2y, and then from there I have 17 is equal to 7y plus 5. Again, I know these are a bit different to the previous question, so I'm going to rearrange these equations. So I have 7y plus 5 is equal to 17 to make it more familiar with you guys. From there, again, it's just two-step. So take away 5 on both sides. So 7y is equal to 12. And then divided by 7. Divided by 7. We have y is equal to, leave as a fraction. 12 over 7. If you want to write it as a mixed number, that's completely fine. But I'm going to keep it as imperfect fraction for now. Again, just a quick summary on this one. Step one, we need to identify the smallest value of x, okay, and the smallest value of y. Right, let's look at the last two questions now, which are 5a take away 8 is equal to 23 take away 2a. Now, we need to be extra careful with these equations, okay, because we have, if you look at it right now, let me highlight 5a, and be careful, this is negative 2a. The negative is part of the 2a, so we have negative 2a. So from there, we can see that the smallest value of a is negative 2a. So which means that the inverse operation of negative 2a would be plus 2a. Okay, we need to be extra careful with this because we're dealing with negative numbers, and a lot of students uh, are likely to make mistakes when they are dealing with negative numbers. So with this one, we have to be extra careful. Again, so it's plus 2a. Whatever you do on the right hand side, you must do it on the left hand side. So plus 2a. We have 7a. Okay, and then this will cancel out. Take away 8 is equal to 23. Again, I know that you're amazing at solving two linear equations. So plus 8 both side, plus 8 both side, and we have 7, 8, 23, 23 plus 8, that will be 31, divided by 7, divided by 7. 8 is going to give you 31 over 7. So that's what we have. Okay, again, leave it as a fraction, improper fractions. Now, if we look at the last question, it's a beautiful maths question, quite juicy or quite meaty. All right, so we have an isosceles triangle. Okay, we know from the isosceles triangle that two sides are equal. Let me just write it. So from an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, and at the same time, two angles. This angle, the base angle of an isosceles, are also equal. So what do we have here? Well, we are going to form, okay, a linear equation. So we have the following now. So we have 6x minus 2 is equal to 4x plus 3. Again, I need to establish that. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, base angle are equal, so I am using that concept, that property of an isosceles triangle. Now from here, if you look at the first three questions that we've been doing, I'm going to use that. Okay, so again, smallest value of x. Let's identify that. We need to be consistent with our method. So 4x and 6x are my unknown. And where can I find the smallest value of x is on the right hand side. What am I doing with 4x? I'm adding. So therefore, I'm taking away both sides now. So take away 4x both sides. Take away 4x. And then the 4x on the right hand side will cancel out. So on the left hand side, we have 6x take away 4x, that will give you 2x minus 2 is equal to 3. Again, I know that you can do this. I believe in you guys. It's just a two-step linear equation. So plus 2 both sides now. So we have 2x is equal to 5. Then divided by 2, divided by 2. So we have x is equal to 5 over 2, or if you want it, 2.5. Okay, so again, this is how you solve linear equation, okay, with two unknown both sides. I hope you like the video. You've learned how to do it, and you have made a good confidence on how to solve a linear equation. And yeah, thank you for watching, and bye bye for now, and see you next time. Bye.